Hello YouTube, welcome to Retro Rewind, and today we are having a look at Zynaps on the Zynaps Spectrum. Using software, when was it released? I have no idea. Oh there we are, 1987. So not a long time ago, I would have been 17 years old, yeah. Still using the Spectrum at the time, yeah. Good little machine. Anyway, we're going to give it a go. Sort of remember this one. I think I had it, but I'm not sure. Anyway, let's have a play. Prepare for combat. Oh, that's right, it's a side-scrolling shooter. Got me, bastard. Look at that. Get some power-ups. I don't know what they're doing, but at least I'm assuming they're power-ups. Doesn't really make much more show. I've got double weapons on me. Oh, fuck. What happened there? I thought that was a power-up. Oh, dear. And as you often found with 8-bit games, you had to start all the way back from the pretty beginning, which was alright. Fucker. Oh, fuck you. Yeah, I think I was alright when I sort of got into it after a while, but yeah, obviously I'm not doing particularly well this time. Only thing is, those old trigger fingers in as well, because you did have auto fire. I expect you could probably switch on this emulator, but oh well, okay. Was it just typing? Oh. No, it's putting the oh no, it doesn't matter. Funny batter. Right, we'll have one more go. And then we'll try something else. Get a bit further. Oh, fuck off! You bastard. Made me crash into the scenery. I'm trying to watch out for the ship, but I forgot about the rest of the stuff. Die, bitch! Oh, fuck off! I must have to like press a space key or something to do like a different weapon. I don't know. Ah, fuck off. Alright. Okay, that was alright. We'll try something else. Be right back. Right then, have a look at this one. This is called Chubby Gristle. Now, I've absolutely never heard of this game before. No idea what you've got to do. It's usually quite the case when I play games, as you know. But we'll give it a go anyway and see what happens. Don't appear to be any music or anything at the moment. Sound effects. Right, can I select then? Alright, you got some big fat bloke. Yeah, a lot of the games back here weren't particularly PC, I've noticed. There was a couple that I was going to play and I thought, no, that's a little bit racist or whatever. Right. What the hell are you supposed to do? I'm pushing the car along. The blokes aren't attacking me or anything. It's a bit sort of Manic Minor-ish, isn't it? Or Jet Set, really, whatever you want to call it. Oh, come on, I fell off the fucking ladder. And you're gonna penalise me for that. I'm gonna go in the hole. Fuck you! Alright, I'll jump up that way then. Come on, get up. Right, I've got... Trespassers will be sound. That's very nice, isn't it? Get up then. You fuck. Oh, fuck off. This is shit. I don't know what the fuck you're supposed to do. Ah, fuck off! You complete arse clown. Well, that's complete bollocks, wasn't it? Should we do one more? Yeah, I think so. Right, I'll be right back. And this one, as you can see, is Knight Rider. Now, I don't remember a Spectrum game on there, but yeah, I've no idea what the fuck you're supposed to do. So let's hit C. And looks like you've got different adventures you can do. So, Democratic Convention. We'll select that one. And let's play. Zero to play the game. Bear with me while I find it on the keyboard. Because that's the only problem is having to select stuff on the keyboard. I hate looking down. I can't even see the bloody zero. There we go. Right, okay. Good morning, Michael. Devon has just informed me of terrorist action. Yeah, oh, right, activity, sorry. In Chicago. Okay, okay. Come on. I think we should go there at once. Good. Right, okay. So, what the hell has this got to do with Knight Rider? Okay, where the hell am I? Well, play then. Okay. Right. Well, I'm trying to... Okay. Oh, there we go. Am I actually steering this, or what am I doing? I've no idea where the fucking Scooby-Doo I'm going. Get on this fucking circuit. Come on. Yeah, if I can fucking control it. I've no fucking clue at all. Oh, there we go. I'm going a whole 56 miles per hour. The thing is, you don't really know what's going on because hang on, wait a minute, you've got to push forward to accelerate. Which is right annoying, and then you can't go left or right. Yeah, I do not like these controls at all. They're a bit shit-tastic. Well, overall, I think this has been a bit shite, hasn't it? 240 miles an hour, and I'm travelling now for certain, but I've got no control over shooting. All I'm doing is doing left and right and forward to accelerate. It's a bit cack. And I know Spectrum is a very dated machine these days, but yeah, let's just end this because this has been an absolute fucking disaster, hasn't it? I'm sorry, guys. I'm very disappointed in this time. Zynaps was alright, but the rest of the games have been absolute bollocks. Anyway, we'll leave it there. Hopefully I'll find something to play better on another system. Don't forget to let me know what systems you want me to try. Yeah, always want to do that. What games you want me to play on that system. And I'll give them a go. But yeah, I'm very disappointed this time around. So all I can do is apologise and say hope we find something better next time. Anyway, do the usual. Please like, comment, subscribe. And yeah. It's a bit shite, isn't it? See you later. Bye.